We used to be frightened and scared to try the things we don't really understand why. We laughed for a moment, then start to cry. We were crazy. Now that the end is already here, we reminisce about old yells and cheers, even if our last hurrays were never clear. Farewell to you, my friends. We'll see each other again.
Excuse me po!
Kailangan pa bang i-memorize yun?
All the single ladies, 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 all the single ladies. Now put your hands up, up. Nang may love ako sa'yo, kala ko'y pag-ibig mo ay tunay, pero hindi nagtagal, lumabas din ang tunay na kulay. Ang iyong kilay mapagmataas at lagi namimintas, pero sarili kong pera ang iyong winawaldas. Para kang spigs, ugali mo'y napaka-stigs. Kung hiyain mo ko, talagang nakaka-shrink. Girlie bitty bye-bye, don't tell a lie. Bakit mo ako laging dinideny? All the goods I've done, wala man lang recognition. Mahilig kang mga leksyon, pinaliwala aking attention. Yo, anyway, everyday iba't ibang gas ang iyong ka-text. And then one time nahuli kita na meron kang ka-sex. Mas gugustuhin ko pa na magpa-crucify kesa harap-harapan mo akong stupefy. So don't be mad, so don't be sad. Lahat ng kabulutan mo ilalahad. Stupid!
Nang makilala ka, every hour, every minute, nais kang makita. Halos di kumain, makausap lang sa phone. Between you and me, until the break of dawn. No one else comes close, pangako sa isa't isa. Ngunit napatunayan mo ba na